Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Disconnect power and air from the reamer. When servicing the reamer lubricator, ensure the oil level is visible in the sight glass. Ensure feed rate is set to 1 on the lubricator dial. Spin the dial on the top of the lubricator clockwise until it stops. Then dial back counterclockwise to 1. If the oil level is low, remove the fill plug and add oil as necessary. Use a funnel to fill the lubricator with oil. Once full, ensure lubricator plug is tightened back into place.